With a sophisticated black design, this Neff electric induction hob will make a great focal point for your existing kitchen decor. The Twistpad is a convenient removable magnetic dial that gives you complete control over all cooking zones. Simply attach the magnetic knob for ultra precision over temperature levels. With FlexInduction, you can combine cooking zones together to accommodate for larger pots and pans. Great for when you're preparing large dinners for the entire family. PowerMove divides the hob into 3 heating zones, one for boiling, simmering and warming, so you can tailor your cooking to every dish. Whether you're boiling, simmering or frying, storm up delicious meals with this electric induction hob from Neff.